Are you ready? Thank you. You guys here laying down on the side of the road?
No. No, this is what I'm gonna hit me. I'm deleting everything in that phone. Draco undefeated. Some blocking, then I'm bleeding. Go long, these bullets he receive it. I can't see it. My wrist look like a snow cone, make her eat it. Once I see her, I give her that dope dick just like it's ether. Then I leave her. I can't get caught up, I can't be on cheaters. Look at them people, you know what it is. Go put that dope before they breaches. Before they breaches, I'ma get out this bitch and I'm striking. I'm throwing my heat up. Whole lot of money instead they keep counting forever. I'm living my life like a Peter. Go, boy. I'm straight out the knife, I came up selling hard. Hell, run. I'm straight from the north, I went bought me a dime. I dropped out the poacher and bought me a gun. We bought in the jet cause my dog got a warrant. But don't give a fuck when it's stick when we gone. Hold up out that molly, I cover my gun. Sick out of elo, my aim on point. Shoot a neck like me pain in my jaw.
If it's not one thing, it's another. I lost this little piece on my back. I have the long lever, but I don't have the little stick sticking out.
Wow, dude.
So I gotta put my leg like this.
Last time you had lost this bolt.
Yeah.
Now you lost this. Did you even tighten them when you first got them?
Yeah. It's just, they don't come with door locker, so it vibrates out.
That's scary. Now I'm like thinking about what falls off mine.
Dog, we were dipping.
Yeah, we were going pretty fast. How fast are we going?
I don't know, we're looking.
So I don't have a speedometer, you do. I go based off my balls. As soon as they start going in my stomach, that's when I'm like, alright, I'm going a little too much. And that's when it starts slowing down. You're going like 90? It felt fast, dude. I was like having tunnel vision. I was like, damn. It's because I was trying to get a clip with me being like tight on you. I was like, oh shit, oh shit. It was scary. Because I didn't know if you were going to slow down, look back, try to see if I was there or not. And then me not think about it and then just...
When we were hitting that one turn and I looked back, oh, up there, yeah, dog, I didn't record the whole thing.
You didn't?
Nope.
Wow. You just started recording it now?
Yeah.
Wow.
So I got 13 minutes to record right here in this section now.
Y'all making fun of me and shit. If you would have done that on that turn, you would have been perfect. Yeah, I think now I'm really gonna cruise.
Oh, damn, I ain't, dog, you already getting ants on me.
I am? Oh shit. Oh! Damn, that's a gang. They're probably already going up your pants, dude.
No, I've seen them.
Damn. Oh.
Huh?
I said I'm getting a stuffy nose. It was a little cold up there.
What the hell am I listening to?
I want it that way. Tell me why.
The playground. This is the playground right here. Squiggly, 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 squiggly. Boom. See that one guy had crashed in my previous video. He had crashed right on the other side of that mountain. Semi truck's right around that other corner too. Oh, going down now. Trying to go home.